Hello， 大家好 ，Welcome to MNE Language Blog. I'm Elena. In this video, we will talk about the difference between 二 and 两. From the meaning, you can know that both of them mean two, but there are some differences between them. Now, you can see this blue circle represents 二. Then, this green one represents 两. You see that between them, there is a yellow color part, right? This part means what? It means that 二 and 两 in sometimes they can exchange, right? So now let's learn them one by one. Firstly, let's learn when we need to use 二. The first situation, when counting numbers without a following classifier. For example, when you count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, blah, 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 right? Then you will say 1, 2, 3 instead of 1, 2, 3, right? Only can use 2 here. So from this example, you can also see that 2 can be used in isolation, but 两 cannot. Okay? The second situation is when the number 2 is part of the numbers in tens. For example, 12, 20, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92. We only can say 12, 20, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, right? But we cannot say 12, 20. No, not like this, okay? And next situation is when 2 is used in ordinal numbers. For example, the second, 第二, you must use 2 instead of 两. Okay? The last situation is used in fractions. For example, 2/5. We say 2/5. 2/5. We don't say 2/2. Okay? So, just remember 2. When we need to use 2, there are 4 situations. Okay? Except these 4 situations, we should use 两. But also, there is a situation that we can use 2 or 两 as you like. Okay, now let's see when we should use 两. Okay, number 1, used before a classifier. For example, 2个人, 2 people. We cannot say 2个人. No, we cannot say this. Okay, only can say 2个人. Then you will have a question. What if I want to say 12 people? 12 people. Whether I should say 12个人? No. Remember, no. Only. Here, only need 2 people. We should say 2个人. Okay? If you want to say 12 people, so we should say what? It should be 12个人. Like just now we count number 12, right? 12个人. Because here 12 people, 12 is a what? It's a number in tens, right? So remember, if a number in tens with a number 2, then you should pronounce it like 12. You cannot say 12. Okay? So if 12 people, you should say 12个人. 12个人. Okay? Only when you use 2 before a classifier, for example, 2 people, 2 apples, 2个苹果, 2个苹果, okay? Or 2 tables, 2张桌子, 2张桌子. You should use 2 instead of 2. Understand? Okay. Next one. Next situation is what? Next situation is used as a measure word meaning tael or 50 grams. 50 grams. So here you will use this 2 instead of 2. Okay? The last situation is used in 2 o'clock. When you want to say 2 o'clock, you should say 2点. 2点 instead of 2点. Okay? Only 2点. 2点. Okay? These are the 3 situations when you can only use 2. Understand? Now, what we left? Yes, we only left this part, right? This part, remember, is their common part. So they can exchange sometimes. In what situation they can exchange? Let's see. When counting numbers more than 3 digits. More than 3 digits. For example, 200. You can say 200 or 200. And 2000, you can say 2000 or 2000. Okay? How about 20,000? 20,000, remember? So we can say 2万 or 2万, right? So remember, here you must know that it's only when counting numbers, only in this situation, counting numbers, and the number is more than 3 digits. Actually, here has two situations. The first one, counting numbers. The second one is what? Is more than 3 digits. More than 3 digits. You should use 二 or 两 as you like. You can use 二 or 两 as you like. Okay? So, but here, you need to pay attention that there is a notice here. Remember, 200,000 and 2 billion can only use 二. This you must be remember. This one. Only 200,000 and 2 billion. No matter when you use it, is you use it when you're counting numbers or you're saying a number and plus a classifier. No matter what, you must only use 二. Understand? So 200,000 is 20万, right? 20万. You cannot say 20万. 2 billion is what? Is 20亿. 20亿. Only can say 二. Understand? You will ask why? Because of what? Remember we say here, the first one, 200,000 is 20万. 2 billion is what? 20亿, right? Here, you ignore 1 or 亿. You just focus on here. They both have what? Number 20. 20, right? 20. So remember this is what? Again, is a number in tens, right? If only see this 20 is a number in tens, so we can only use what? Use 二, right? So we call it 20. So here, understand? You say 20万. You should say 二 instead of 两, because here is 20, the number is 20, and it follows different character. One is 1, one is 亿. So it means what? Just the 0 difference. But number here, before 1 and 亿, the numbers here is the same. They are both 20. 20. 20. Okay? So, that's these 3 situations. One, you can only use 2, right? The second one is you can only use 两. The third one is what? Is when you count numbers more than 3 digits. You can use 二 or 两 as you like, right? So now understand? Okay, that's all for this video. If you still have any questions, welcome to leave me a comment. If you want to know more information, you can visit our Facebook page or our website. See you next time. 再见。